It's really important that you have a tool policy for your shop. A lot of shops encourage their guys and gals to bring tools into the shop. The thing is that all insurance policies have very limited coverage for the business owner and or its employees and their personal possessions that are in a shop. Likely you have a sublimit, and below that are sublimits per employee. And the tool policy basically states that we will only be responsible for $50 of your personal possessions while on our premises unless you filled out a tool form telling us exactly what you have here, and our foreman signs off and agrees that it's there. Otherwise, if your shop burns down or there's a major loss, what do you do when an employee comes and says, I've lost $8,000, $10,000 worth of tools? Now you're getting your things replaced that belong to the company, but this is personal items that belong to an employee that's needed to do their job. So a tool policy protects you and also puts down a list of specifically what your employees have there, so you do know what to tell your insurance broker in terms of these are the coverages and the limits that I need. Otherwise, I assure you, unless your people don't bring tools to the company at all, you don't have adequate coverage.